Welcome back, dear programmers. Today's topic is HTML text formatting. HTML provides us with several text formatting tags, making it relatively easy to create interactive content. So first one is bold text. To make text bold, we use the strong and B tag. Both of these tags are used to highlight important words or phrases. Another one is italic text. To add emphasis or style, we can use the EM or I tag to italize the text. Underline text. If we want to underline the text, we can use the U tag. Then another one is strike-through text. Sometimes we need to show that certain content is no longer valid or cross out. The S or strike tag can be used for that. We also can use del or delete tag to cross the text. Superscript and subscript. When dealing with scientific or mathematical notation, HTML provides us with the super and sub tags for superscript and respectively. This was the basic text formatting in HTML. There are lots of ways to format text. We will see in the CSS tutorial. For now, that's all for today's video. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like this video. If you found it useful, then subscribe to my channel. Until next time, happy coding.